This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford F-150 hood from outside. First, you will need to locate the hood release lever inside the cabin. This lever is typically found on the driver's side, often beneath the dashboard or near the kick panel. Give it a firm pull to disengage the primary hood latch. You should hear a distinct pop as the hood slightly lifts, indicating the first latch has released. Once the primary latch is released, walk to the front of your Ford F-150. The hood will be slightly ajar, but not fully open. Gently lift the hood a few inches with one hand. With your other hand, feel or look for a small lever or tab located underneath the front edge of the hood, usually near the center. This is your secondary safety latch, designed to prevent accidental opening. Now that you have located the secondary safety latch, you need to operate it to fully open the hood. Depending on your F-150 model, you will either push this small lever to the side, typically to the left, or lift it upwards. Once you manipulate this lever correctly, the hood will completely disengage. You can then lift it all the way up to access the engine compartment. After opening, remember to use the prop rod, which is typically attached to the underside of the hood, to keep it securely open while you work. When you are finished, carefully lower the hood until it is about 12 to 18 inches above the closed position. Then, let it drop gently, pressing down firmly on the front edge to ensure both latches engage securely. Always double-check it is fully closed before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.